American aerospace leader Bell Textron has officially revealed that its cutting-edge combat rotorcraft for the U.S. Army's Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft, FLRAA, program will be designated as the MV-75. This announcement follows the Army's selection of the Bell V-280 Valor as the platform of choice, signifying a radical shift in U.S. military aviation strategy and technology. The MV-75, derived from the advanced V-280 Tiltrotor, is poised to replace a significant segment of the Army's aging Black Hawk fleet. Designed as a multi-role battlefield asset, this next-generation aircraft introduces unprecedented improvements in speed, range, and operational adaptability through its tiltrotor architecture, allowing for vertical takeoffs and landings with airplane-like cruising capabilities. The aircraft is tailored for medium-lift duties and will support a wide array of missions, including rapid troop insertion, theater-wide transport, and urgent medevac operations. Its high-speed maneuverability and long operational reach will enable Army units to strike or evacuate from distant and potentially safer locations, beyond the range of enemy anti-air threats. Strategically, the MV-75 is not just a helicopter, it's a core element in the Army's broader Future Vertical Lift (FVL) vision. This ecosystem of next-gen platforms is engineered for unified battlefield coordination, where systems such as the Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft, FLRAA, Air-Launched Effects, ALEs, and new drone systems like FTUAS operate in concert. Within this network, the MV-75 will play a central role, acting as both a transport hub and a digital node in a hyper-connected air-ground warfighting system. Thanks to its tiltrotor layout, the MV-75 can maneuver like a helicopter but cruise with the velocity of a fixed-wing aircraft. This hybrid configuration makes it ideal for operations across vast distances, allowing commanders to plan missions from safer forward operating bases while keeping frontline forces mobile and protected. Its ability to penetrate and operate around contested zones gives U.S. forces a powerful tactical edge. The MV-75 is being built with advanced digital systems and battlefield networking at its core. From onboard mission planning tools to real-time data links with other FVL platforms, the aircraft is tailored to thrive in multi-domain environments. Whether supporting special operations, full-scale conflict, or humanitarian missions, the MV-75 will be instrumental in shaping future combat doctrine. Bell's V-280 emerged victorious in the FLRAA competition after outperforming Sikorsky Boeing's SB-1 Defiant X during a rigorous multi-year evaluation. The decision was made public in December 2022. While the competing team filed a formal protest, the Government Accountability Office ultimately upheld the Army's choice in April 2023, allowing Bell to move forward unimpeded. In May 2025, the Army officially transitioned the V-280 to the MV-75 designation, a milestone that signaled readiness for operational integration. The 101st Airborne Division, stationed at Fort Campbell, Kentucky, is slated to be the first unit equipped with the aircraft, with deliveries projected between late 2028 and early 2029. The FLRAA program is a flagship element of the Army's long-term modernization agenda, projected to generate up to $70 billion over its lifespan, including potential international sales. This massive investment reflects both the strategic value and the transformational potential of the MV-75 across global military operations. Bell initiated the development of the V-280 Valor back in 2013 under the Joint Multi-Role Technology Demonstrator (JMRTD) program. Drawing on lessons from the V-22 Osprey, Bell engineered a simplified tiltrotor design with superior maintainability and tactical agility. The first flight occurred in December 2017, and by the end of testing, the prototype had amassed over 200 flight hours. Unlike the V-22, the V-280's fixed engine, straight-wing setup and swiveling rotors offer better mechanical reliability and easier maintenance. It incorporates triple redundant fly-by-wire controls and modern avionics that enhance both safety and responsiveness. Built with a modular open systems architecture, the aircraft is fully upgradable for future tech insertions, such as autonomous operation, advanced threat detection, and seamless integration with joint and allied forces. The MV-75 spacious cabin supports up to 14 troops with rapid loading capabilities, ideal for high-intensity, time-sensitive deployments. Technically, the V-280/MV-75 cruises at around 280 knots, 518 km per hour, and boasts a combat radius exceeding 500 nautical miles, 926 kilometers. It operates with a standard crew of 4 and is optimized for a wide range of terrain and climates, from urban battlegrounds to remote mountainous zones. With its state-of-the-art design, long reach, and combat versatility, the MV-75 stands as a bold leap forward in aerial warfare. As it moves closer to full deployment, it promises to become a linchpin of America's future combat power and expeditionary mobility.